Hello, Fly Babies. It's me, FlyLady Kat, and today is Friday. I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. So yes, today is Friday. We have 3 things to do in our 3-layer cake. The first layer is our routines. The second layer is our basic weekly plan, and today that is car and purse day. And our third layer is our zone, and we are in zone 4, the master bedroom, master bathroom, and master closet. So let's start at the beginning. It's a very good place to start. All right, so we're going to start with our routines. We're going to get up early before the family. We're going to do our morning routine. When that's done, we're going to wake up our family, put them through their routines. When that's done, the bathroom looks great, the bedrooms look great, the kitchen looks great, everybody's been fed. Yay! Okay, if you are a payroll lion, you're going to work now. When you get to work, you're going to greet your coworkers, friends, and or employees, get your beverage and water, get to your nice clean desk, open up your work control journal, and say, today is Friday, this is the end of the week. Have I accomplished everything I wanted to accomplish this week? This is almost the end of the month. Have I accomplished everything I wanted to accomplish this month? What accomplishments did I really do? Have I written them down? So you're going to go through that scenario. Then on your breaks and lunch, guess what you're going to be thinking about or doing? Car and purse day. So if you've got, sorry about that, if you've got bags at your desk, like I encourage you to keep garbage bags at your desk, then you could take one, go to your car and empty out any garbage, throw that away. Take anything else that's in there, put it in the other bag for throwaway, put away or giveaway in the front of the car. When you get home, you can handle that, okay? For your purse, you can dig through it, get out the trash, rearrange it. That can be done at work. Throw that trash away. Okay, now, when you get home, you're going to start a load of laundry. You're going to start your dinner, maybe just for the kids because you're having date night. It's Friday. And then while dinner's simmering, you're going to quick go in that bedroom and do those 15 minutes of decluttering or one little item in the bedroom, master bedroom, master closet, or master bathroom. Come back, finish dinner, listen for your laundry that you started when you came in. I hope you went through an inch of your paper, and serve dinner. When you're done, then we're going to all come together and help our kids and get the kitchen clean, right? All right, let me just jump in and do the at-home Fly Babies. So at-home lions, you're going to get up this morning, do your morning routine, put your kids through their routine, and if you have other things, both of you, if you have any other thing you have to do, like take care of your pets, that's part of your morning routine, okay? Then you're going to, because you're at home, you're going to run your laundry, you're going to go through an inch of paper, and the next thing you're going to do is your car and purse day. So dump your purse out on the countertop, put all the good stuff back, throw all those trash away, and put anything else away that doesn't belong in your purse. Now go on out to your car and see if there's anything in there. Hopefully you've learned how to look around before you get out of your car and take anything out, and also make sure you tell your kids to do the same thing. When I get in this driveway and I turn the car off, I want you guys to be looking around, because before you get out of the car, you have to get your stuff, right? And let's get out of the car. So if you don't have things in your car, you just want to shake out the mats, maybe run a little hand vac in there, maybe some wipes for the dashboard and the things that might have gotten a little sticky or crummy. You may want to think about every now and then running the car through a cleaner. Run it through the drive-through and vacuuming it really well. Maybe putting those mats through the little beater machines if you have any of those, and make it look nice. Also on Fridays is a good day to get your car filled up with gas for the weekend. That's something I haven't ever told you to do, but it is a good thing to do on that day, okay? All right, now we're going to go into after dinner routine. So after dinner, we're all coming together. We're having a nice dinner. After dinner, everyone's going to be happily in the kitchen with you because you're a pleasant person to be around. You're not a nag, you're not a griper, you're friendly, you're loving, but you can totally run this ship. You are definitely the CEO, and your children will love it. They love it. Okay. After that, it's before bed routine. Now, if you're going out with your husband tonight, then your kids, you're going to put them through their before bed routine, and then you're going to go fix yourself up because you're a little frumpy from the end of the day. So you need to maybe freshen your makeup, freshen your hair, put a little fresh perfume on, maybe change your blouse, and go have a nice time with your sweetheart. All right, that's it for today. I want you to have a fabulous day, and I want you to always remember that you are beautiful. Bye-bye.